cool, like a little museum here. I don't think I've ever been in this building. Let's just check it out. You get lots of information. Here's the origins of the festival. Cool. There's Mr. Barry. We just met him, Mr. and Mrs. Barry. Looks like he made his debut in the festival in 1993, but I don't remember ever seeing him, but this place is so big I probably just missed it. Oh, Charlie Daniels. Oh, this is cool. It's like a little museum. This is awesome. It looks like they have buttons you can press. See a little bit of a slideshow. Mr. and Mrs. Tourist. And the slide still starts right there. It's like a red jacket worn by the board of directors, kind of referred to as red coats. If you know me, you know I love visiting things like this, these museums. Learn more about the local history. This is cool. And it looks like these are the Florida Strawberry Festival Queens through the decades. Years ago, when I first came to the festival, I seen something like this. It had all the different pictures. But this is a lot more sleek and modern looking than the display that I end up seeing. I think it is on my channel. I won't show all of them in detail, but it gives the list of all of them. That's true. A couple of weeks ago I had some already. Wow, it's mighty tasty. There's lots of different rides and attractions. A lot of good information. Looks like they have a little store here before I started, but I already bought a shirt earlier, so I don't need another one right now. This is pretty cool. Okay, so this is the building we're in right now. Looks like it's the Fort Milton E. Hull National Guard Armory building. Once housed the National Guard at Plant City, was built in 1936 using rocks dredged from the Hillsborough River and Blackwater Creek. National Guardsmen provided the labor and the works program administrator provided the funds. About this time, the battery transitioned from horse-drawn artillery to 1.5-ton Chevrolet trucks, making the rocks gathering task easier. The building housed a generation of guardsmen until a new army was built near the Plant City Airport. And the Florida Strawberry Festival used the site for many years as administrative offices until new offices were added. We are proud now to present many years of history of the Florida Strawberry Festival in this venerable building. Cool. Here you get a selfie with him. Basically a cut out, but I meant the real thing. This gets history of this one version of his costume. Cool. Awesome. One last quick look. Awesome.